First Edition, Tech Tuesday.
Welcome back to NTV News First Edition. Three local businesses getting a helping hand from government to continue and expand their work in various healthcare areas. PolyUnity is one of those companies. It provides healthcare workers easy access to a catalog of products and parts that can be turned into 3D printable products. Well, joining me on this Tech Tuesday to tell us more about this funding announcement today and the great work of PolyUnity is Technology Minister Andrew Parsons. Minister, thank you for joining me.
Thanks so much for having me on.
So tell me more about this funding announcement.
Yeah, so today we announced just about $1.5 million, which is going into innovative research and development for three companies here in Newfoundland and Labrador. So significant funding opportunities, but these companies are so deserving. And one of those happens to be PolyUnity, a company based here in St. John's. They've been around for about 5 years. They're into additive manufacturing, and the work they're doing is not only really cool, but it's so helpful to our healthcare system. Is something we all talk about and are concerned about. Well, they're making a huge impact on that, and not just here, but beyond.
Why is it so important to invest in companies such as PolyUnity?
Well, the reality is that these companies need investment in order to grow and to diversify. And in this case here is research and development. We need to do more when it comes to innovative R&D. Again, this is helping to create jobs. It's helping to take what they have and then be able to commercialize that or make money. And that's something that's absolutely good for the province. Again, it stems from an idea, but if we don't sort of nurture those companies and nurture those ideas and help them to grow, it can be difficult. It's a tough market sometimes, and not only do we have an awesome idea and group here, is one that we think there's going to be a huge return on for this province.
I guess too, you know, it's something that maybe we don't think about in Newfoundland and Labrador, that companies such as PolyUnity exist, and they're doing pretty kind of high-tech, interesting things. So, you know, I mentioned that they make, available 3D products, or they make the programs available for 3D products. I'm not explaining it very well. Can you kind of break it down in like 30 seconds what PolyUnity actually does, the work they do?
I'll try my best. It's super complicated. So basically, PolyUnity is doing 3D printing of health components. So I've actually been there to watch them do this. You have these amazing printers which are building little components that they need for multiple different aspects of healthcare. So they've been working with Eastern Health, and now they're working beyond. But the thing you need to know is literally we're just named Can Health 2023 Company of the Year. So they've gotten national recognition. I think they're about to boom here, and so just to see it is pretty cool, and realize that not only is there cool tech, cool manufacturing happening here, what's not to love?
Absolutely, what's not to love? It's pretty fun and exciting work, technology, especially when it comes to healthcare. And of course, the work they're doing, I guess it means that we don't have to import these products. They're being kind of made, processed right here.
Absolutely. I mean, that's been one of the sort of banes of our existence living here sometimes, is waiting for things to get here across a number of fields. Well, I don't think there's any field that's more important than healthcare. And the fact that we can create these pieces here timely, cost effectively, and then to have those stockpile, and again, it's amazing how much there actually is. They are doing that here, and again, creating jobs. And it's really it's amazing what they're doing on a number of fronts. There's so many young people that are working there. And not just that, I mean, the leadership of PolyUnity is actually a big player in our advocacy groups, such as Tech and Jacqueline and Mark are doing great work, not just with their companies, but helping others to advance here as well. They play a big role in the future of tech in this province.
Now, I know a couple of other companies got some funding today as well, and in the coming weeks, you and I are going to meet again, and we're going to talk about those companies and the great work they're doing as well for healthcare, not just in Newfoundland and Labrador, but pretty much anywhere in North America and the world.
Absolutely. Look, I appreciate the opportunity to come on and talk about what these cool companies are doing. We're just trying our best as a government to support them, and again, there's benefits for every one of us here in the province, so thank you.
Minister Parsons, thank you so much today.
Thank you.